Dear friends, as you all know, we do endoscopy to look inside the intestinal tract and not only diagnose disease but also treat many of these. This is done through mouth, which is called upper GI endoscopy, and through the anal canal, which is called lower GI endoscopy. These are highly sophisticated tubes which house an advanced video camera and have operating facility. So because these are reusable, we have to ensure proper hygiene and sterilization of these instruments so that these do not communicate infection from one patient to another. This is what is most important and often neglected area of endoscopy. At Medanta, we lay special emphasis on clean and hygienic endoscopy, and which makes it safe and hygienic endoscopy procedure. The endoscopes are cleaned with a mechanical mechanism where we clean it with brushes which are available for the cleaning of the channels and with various solutions which ensure that all the organic components are removed and all the food debris or fecal matter is cleaned. And after cleaning mechanically, these are processed through automatic washers in solutions which ensure that there is no organism, including fungi or spores, which are left inside the channels of the endoscopes. Why we are laying so much of stress on it is not only hygiene part, because they can lead to serious infection if not done properly. So safe and hygienic endoscopy is a very important component of endoscopy today.